Hello, my little reader. Welcome to lesson 6. How are you today? I hope that you're doing great. We are going to get started, but of course, we have to do our fun activity with our friend Earth, our reading pal. Earth, say hi. Hi. I wonder where Earth will be going today. You know, he likes to go on different adventures. Let's hear where he'll be going today. Okay, Earth will be going to the playground. Do you like to go to the playground? Of course, you enjoy going to the playground. I wonder what he's going to do on the playground today. Let's see. Let's hear. Okay, Earth says that he is going to you do. Run. Run. Can you get up and run for just 2 seconds? Let's go. Yes, awesome. Sit back down. Let's go. What's happening next? Okay. Earth says that he is going to up. Hop. Hop. Okay, what else, Earth? All right. Earth says he is going to skip. Skip. You do. Skip. Skip. Can you skip? Get your jump rope ready and let's go. Turn, turn, turn. Yes, that's the way we skip. And this is where Earth says, goodbye. See you in the next lesson. All right, before we go into today's lesson, we are going to do our review time. It is important for us to keep practicing these sounds so we don't forget them. I'll go first, then your turn. S, A, T, E. S, A, T, E. Your turn. Yes. One more time. Well done. You know all of these sounds. You are doing an amazing job and I'm really proud of you. Now, it's time for us to go into our mystery box. And I want you to turn those listening ears on. And I want you to listen attentively to the names of these objects and what sound they begin with. Are you ready? Here we go. From my mystery box, sorry. Look, a pear. Pear. Can you say that? I like to eat pears. Yum, yum. Let's see what else is inside the mystery box. Okay, a pen. I can write with a pen. Say pen. Pen. Your turn. Yes, pen. I have something here that could not fit into my mystery box, but I wanted to share this with you. What is this? A pot. A pot. Say pot. Pot. This is a pot. So, my pot, my pen, and my pear all begin with the P sound. What do they begin with? Yes, the P sound. Do you know the letter that makes the P sound? Here it is. This letter makes the P sound. This letter makes the P sound. Say P, P, P. Let me show you the animal whose name begins with the P sound. A penguin. Say P, P, penguin. P, P, penguin. Penguin begins with the P sound. Okay? Now that you know today's sound, it is time to get into our workbook. Yes? So for the workbook, the first thing, as you know, we say the sound. Let's go. P. Okay, let's trace. Start at the red dots, go down, go back up, and around. Now it's time for you to color the penguin. Go ahead and color the penguin. You can pause here. When you're finished, you will go to this bit. Here, you're going to find the letter that makes the P sound. Can you see it? Find the letter that makes the P sound. 3 of them are there. Be sure to find all 3. Good. Next bit. Here we have some objects whose name begin with the P sound that we need to find. Yes? Let me help you to name them. This is a pig. This is a tent. And this is an apple. And this is a pen. Let me name them again. Pig, tent, apple, pen. Can you find the 2 objects whose name begin with the P sound? Find them, circle them. Okay, now that you're finished with that, it is time to write. We go down, go back up, and around. One more time. Start at the red dot, go down, go back up, and go around. Down, go back up, and go around. And remember, hold your pencil correctly. Yes, hold it correctly. Remember, 2 fingers pinching. It sits on tall man and you tuck these 2 fingers in. This is the way you should hold your pencil when you are writing. Keep going, my little reader. I know that you are doing a great job with this task. This is where we say bye and see you in the next lesson.